replace the master cylinder, and now you gotta drain the fluid out, put fresh fluid in. So you buy yourself a fresh container of .3 or .4 brake fluid, whichever one your bike takes. Mine takes either one. After I installed the new master cylinder, I gotta bleed the brake system. So as you can see, what you wanna do, the first thing you wanna do is crack the bleeder valve open. So you hold it open. You open the valve. After you open the valve, you squeeze the brake handle to let any existing air out. And as you guys can see, it's turning from an amberish color to a clear color. And after you open the valve, you close it back up and you release the brake. You open, squeeze, let the air out, and then you close it, release. You repeat the process over and over again until this flushes out clear. The amber color is going and you see no more air bubbles in your system, and you keep an eye on your reservoir, making sure you have plenty of fluid each time you open and close. So once it gets low, fill it back up, repeat the process. So now I'm going to do the back brakes. Bleed the back brake fluid. So as you can see, it's amberish color. Color is amberish, it's really dark. Bring some more light so you can see that. So you had to detach it from the back here, from this bracket. You detached it, set it on a little box to keep it from moving while I bleed it. Crack the top open. All right, so here we go. Rear brake bleeding. Come from this way. All right. Okay, ready? Here we go. Open. Got our valve open. Press the brake pedal down. As you can see, and then we're going to close it back. Keeping the brake pedal down, and then release. Do it again. Press the pedal down, close the valve back up, release the brake pedal. The reason why you want to close it first before you release it, because if you release it before you close it, it's going to suck the fluid right back down in. Okay, let's do it again. Open, squeeze, close, release. While we do that, we're keeping an eye on our main reservoir. All right, just don't want this to get empty or you'll suck air right back into the system. Open, press the rear brake pedal, close the valve, release the pedal. Now I'm going to put some more fluid in. Going to look like that there. I'm going to open first. Press our brake pedal, close it, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Squeeze, close, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Now let me show you what happens if you don't close it back before you release it. Open, squeeze, and look. If I leave it open, see how it's going backwards and reverse, sucking all the air back in. So you gotta squeeze, close it, then release it. Open, squeeze, close, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Open, squeeze, close, release. Close, release. I'll put a little bit more brake fluid back in the reservoir. See how low we got. One more and then we're done. Open, squeeze, close, release. We got a nice clean even flow, no air bubbles. Our fluid level is now at the lower mark. Fill it up just about right back up to that spot there. Once the brake fluid heats up, it expands, so you don't want to go no higher than that. As you guys can see, we put our top back on. You can let that go now. And we're gonna push our screws down like so. Another screw down like so. Tighten it up. We're good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Drive safe.